welcome to IU's Code Academy. Today I will gonna show you how to improve your design and how to improve on your front end. So before that, please subscribe my channel and click like this video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And click on bell icon so you will not miss any of new video, uh, right? Let's begin. I will start by one website, but there is a four website right now about improving your front end and their daily UI design as well. So uh, this is the front end mentor. There is a lot of challenges in here. I've been logged in, that's why I can see you can see my profile here, and this is the lots of challenges. You can enter any of them. This is the some new for the new view, for the junior, and for the guru. So it's like if you are for a beginner, or if you are intermediate, or if you are a junior, or if you are mid, or if you are advanced, if you are pro, you can see this tagline, and you can start by themselves from that tag. Otherwise you can or if you are working as a junior, you can go to as a medium level, right? These are the challenges that you must try to accelerate your skills. So until unless if you don't accelerate your skills, it will be hard to level up your skills, right? So these are the lots of challenges, and there is another of solutions as well. uh, about the solution, this is like that lots of people, lots of members, lots of friends are having had the solution of this of each talks of each code, right? They are sharing on it. So this is the front end mentor, and yeah, I'm like, you have to keep logging this, and then you can give a one try to this website as well. So another is code pin challenges. Yeah, code pin is like you can work any, you can, I mean, like play any code. I mean, like test and test, you can keep practicing some lots of code in this code pin. Yeah, it will generate in one pages, so where you can work on like say for about CSS, HTML, and anything like JavaScript, anything code you can uh, you can practice on here. And there's a lot of challenges in here too. So about the choice UI, traffic course, texture, button, shape, UCSS, weather effects. So lots of elements. That's lots of uh, coders had been shown here. There's a lot of topic that are been shown here. You can give a try, and then you can improve by from the code pin help, code pin challenges, right? So this is the second website you can improve your skills. And third one is 100days.com. So what is like, this is a consecutive days. I have been written HTML and CSS snippets with creative learning process itself, and then lots of people are have added how they uh, implemented code here, uh, how they make up is this element by itself, how that CSS has been worked on. So you can see this see website, and let's do have some challenges from here too. So this one is the third website. And another is about a daily UI, right? So daily UI is a series of design challenges and the surprise rewards sent out every day. You have to sign in, and they will send you a link, and they will send you some links. They will send you challenges. They will give you some topic, and then they will tell you to share your portfolio. They will tell you to share your tax, and they will give you feedback. So yeah, I'm like this is the four website. One is Frontend Mentor, second is CodePin, third is 100 SCSS, and fourth is the daily UI. So you these are the four websites where you can improve your skills. You can improve your skills by challenging yourself, and uh, yeah, I'm like let's work on this like this, like following this WordPress website, and then if you think that is gonna effective, that is happen affected on your daily routine, and if you have been making any improvement yourself, then please let me know. You can comment on this video down below, and please let me share your workflow, right? You can share me your how you have been improvement, how you have been gone through on that, or you can share me anything, like if you are having any trouble in any tasks, and if you are having trouble in design sector or CSS sector, you can ask me for any help, right? So yeah, I'm like this is the end of this video. I'll I'll upload another related video on next video. So keep until please like this video, and share this video, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, thank you for watching.